In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install presets in Adobe Photoshop. Presets are a fantastic way to apply a cohesive look to your images in just a few clicks, saving you both time and effort. If you're new to presets or simply looking to enhance your photo editing skills, you've come to the right place. Let's get started by opening Photoshop. This may sound basic, but make sure you're running the latest version to avoid any compatibility issues with presets. After launching Photoshop, the first thing we need to do is add an image. You can do this by navigating to File at the top left corner of your screen and selecting Open. Browse your computer to find the photo you want to work with. Selecting an image is your canvas for creativity, so choose one that you'd like to experiment with using these presets. Once your image is open, it's time to dive into the editing process by clicking on Filter in the menu bar at the top of your screen. This will reveal a drop-down list with several options. From this list, select Camera Raw Filter. Camera Raw is a powerful tool in Photoshop and a gateway to using presets, offering a non-destructive editing environment. Inside the Camera Raw workspace, focus your attention on the toolbar and click on the three dots icon, which is referred to as More Image Settings. This section allows you to fine-tune various aspects of your editing and, most importantly, gives you access to create or import presets. Now let's move on to the core of this tutorial, creating or importing presets. Click on Create Presets. This option is crucial for building your own custom presets from existing image edits. If you already have a preset file you'd like to use, this is also where you'd import it. Whether you decide to import a preset file or create a new one from your settings, take a moment to review your choices and settings. This will ensure that your presets deliver the results you expect with precision and consistency. When you're satisfied with your selections, click OK to exit the presets creation menu. This step finalizes your actions and saves your preset for future use. After you finish, you have successfully installed a preset in Photoshop, ready to apply it to any of your images with ease. Enjoy the boosted efficiency and uniform aesthetic this powerful feature offers. Keep experimenting with different settings to find what works best for your artistic and professional goals. Whether you're producing stunning visuals for clients or simply enhancing personal photos, mastering presets in Photoshop opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.